Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 mk2, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. Today I want to talk about the pattern record ability that allows us to record a pattern into a sample. This only works on internal content right now, but my feature request is I would really like to have this be able to also pick up external content, because then we can do really fast stem recording, or at least faster stem recording. If you have like an external instrument that doesn't have the ability to write out stems, I mean, the MPC does, but ignore that. I just have this set up here for demo purposes. Anyway, a couple things we can do is for settings. If we go into, I got to be out of pattern mode. Shift pad 13 gets us into utility. If you go to MIDI and you have MIDI sync set to internal and MIDI sync out to on, that will allow you to send your use your internal BPM that you have set and send out a MIDI clock to another device. And this allows us to do all of the transport controls and other fun things that allows us to start and stop a external device, whether it's a DAW sampler or whatever else you have running that has its own sequencer. And similarly on the MPC here, I've set the sync to MIDI clock so that it's able to take a start and stop and BPM from an external device. Now, what I have done here is set the BPM to 96 so that they're both the same. So we don't have anything where one has to catch up to the other or speed up, slow down or anything. And if I hit record, what I really just want is to, I'll just turn the strength up to 100. I want on the 1-1 for this to trigger. These are both set to doing 2 bars of content. I'll hit record and it says press a pad to start. And I just hit external source just because I want that to be on all the time for this particular pattern. So I will hit exit and you'll see we've got this pattern here now. When I start it, external source kicks in and it starts playing the external Akai MPC. Now I'm going to hit exit. You can see it doesn't actually stop playing over here, so I have to remember to stop. But what I would like to be able to do is go into mute and just mute out everything but say the kicks, and then be able to use that as a ability to go copy, select the pattern, hit pattern select, go to my sample pads, have some empty pads, select the pattern or the pad that I want to write to and hit copy again. And you're going to see it's going to go out, as I said, and it says it's working. It started playing the sequence over here, but we didn't get any actual content. And you can see this if I hit start and end, it's completely blank. I hold it down, it's not playing anything. That's because the copy pattern to sample that will render it out only works on the internal content in the SP404 mk2. So as you can see, like this would have been a really quick way to write out and render things and have them stay in sync and have them loop correctly and all that fun stuff. Unfortunately, we can't do it. So my request is for Roland to allow us to take external sources, whether we have the external source on or if there's some setting in our external source for the mixing routing or whatever. I would just like to say the ability for us to be able to render out stems this way. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here because it's just a feature request. I'd love to see this in another SP404 mk2 for a number of reasons. And that's it. Anyway, everybody, thanks for stopping by. Keep making music, keep having fun. Remember, if it sounds good, it is good, and peace.